Imagine being able to control your thoughts, to manipulate your memories, and to unlock the full potential of your mind. It sounds like the stuff of science fiction, but what if I told you that this is not only possible but is, in fact, the key to understanding the most complex and mysterious organ in the human body, the brain? As we delve into the world of neuroscience, we find ourselves confronted with a paradox. On one hand, the brain is a highly efficient and organized system, capable of processing vast amounts of information with incredible speed and accuracy. On the other hand, it is also a fragile and delicate entity, susceptible to the slightest changes in its environment and vulnerable to the ravages of time. This paradox is at the heart of the brain's greatest mystery, its ability to adapt, to change, and to evolve. Neuroplasticity, as it is known, is the brain's capacity to reorganize itself in response to new experiences, to learn, and to remember. It is the key to understanding how we can recover from injuries, how we can learn new skills, and how we can adapt to an ever-changing world. But what exactly is neuroplasticity? How does it work, and what are its limitations? To answer these questions, we must first explore the brain's structure and function. The brain is composed of billions of neurons, each connected to thousands of others, forming a complex network of synapses and pathways. It is this network that allows us to think, to feel, and to behave, and it is this network that is capable of reorganizing itself in response to new experiences. One of the most fascinating examples of neuroplasticity is the case of London taxi drivers. These individuals must memorize the complex network of streets and landmarks in the city, a task that requires an enormous amount of mental effort and dedication. But what is remarkable about these drivers is that their brains actually change in response to this task. The hippocampus, a region of the brain involved in spatial memory, is larger in London taxi drivers than in the general population, a testament to the brain's ability to adapt and to change. But neuroplasticity is not just limited to spatial memory. It is also involved in the formation of new skills, such as playing a musical instrument or learning a new language. When we first begin to learn a new skill, our brains are highly active, as we struggle to understand the new information and to integrate it into our existing knowledge. But as we practice and repeat the skill, our brains begin to reorganize themselves, streamlining the pathways and connections involved in the task. This process of reorganization is known as synaptic pruning, where the brain eliminates unnecessary connections and strengthens the ones that are most important. It is a process that is essential for learning and for memory, and it is a process that is highly dependent on the brain's ability to adapt and to change. But what happens when the brain is injured or damaged? Can it still adapt and change, or are there limits to its ability to reorganize itself? The answer to this question lies in the field of neuroregeneration, where scientists are working to understand the brain's ability to repair and to regenerate itself. One of the most promising areas of research in this field is the study of stem cells. These cells have the ability to differentiate into different types of brain cells, such as neurons and glial cells, and they have the potential to repair damaged brain tissue. But the use of stem cells is still in its infancy, and much more research is needed to fully understand their potential and their limitations. As we explore the mysteries of the brain, we are confronted with a multitude of questions and paradoxes. How do we balance the need for stability and consistency with the need for adaptability and change? How do we protect the brain from injury and disease, while also allowing it to adapt and to evolve? And what are the limits of the brain's ability to reorganize itself, and how can we push beyond these limits to achieve greater cognitive function and greater creativity? These are the questions that scientists and philosophers have been grappling with for centuries, and they are the questions that we will continue to explore and to debate in the years to come. But one thing is certain: the brain is a mysterious and fascinating organ, capable of incredible feats of cognition and creativity. And it is only by understanding its secrets and its mysteries that we can unlock its full potential and achieve our greatest aspirations. As we journey deeper into the world of neuroscience, we find ourselves in a realm of wonder and awe, where the boundaries between reality and fantasy blur, and where the possibilities seem endless. It is a realm that is full of paradoxes and mysteries, but it is also a realm that is full of promise and potential. And it is only by embracing this paradox, by embracing the complexity and the mystery of the brain, that we can unlock its secrets and achieve our greatest desires. But what if I told you that the brain's ability to adapt and to change is not just limited to the individual, but is also connected to the world around us? What if I told you that the brain is not just a solitary entity, but is also a social and cultural being, shaped by the people and the environment that surrounds us? This is the realm of social neuroscience, where scientists are working to understand how our brains interact with each other, and how our social and cultural environments shape our thoughts, our feelings, and our behaviors. One of the most fascinating examples of social neuroscience is the study of mirror neurons. These cells are found in the brain's motor cortex, and they are responsible for our ability to mimic and to imitate the actions of others. When we watch someone else perform an action, our mirror neurons fire, as if we were performing the action ourselves. This is the basis of empathy and of understanding, and it is the key to our ability to connect with others and to form social bonds. But social neuroscience is not just limited to the study of mirror neurons. It also involves the study of social influence, where our thoughts and behaviors are shaped by the people around us. This can be seen in the phenomenon of social contagion, where our emotions and our behaviors are transmitted to others, often unconsciously. It can also be seen in the phenomenon of cultural transmission, where our values and our beliefs are passed down from one generation to the next. As we explore the realm of social neuroscience, we are confronted with a multitude of questions and paradoxes. How do we balance the need for individuality and autonomy with the need for social connection and community? How do we protect ourselves from the negative influences of others, while also allowing ourselves to be shaped and to be inspired by the people around us? And what are the limits of social influence, and how can we use this knowledge to create more positive and more compassionate social environments? These are the questions that scientists and philosophers have been grappling with for centuries, and they are the questions that we will continue to explore and to debate in the years to come. But one thing is certain: the brain is a social and cultural being, shaped by the people and the environment that surrounds us. And it is only by understanding this social and cultural context that we can unlock the full potential of the brain and achieve our greatest aspirations. As we journey deeper into the world of neuroscience, we find ourselves in a realm of wonder and awe, where the boundaries between reality and fantasy blur, and where the possibilities seem endless. It is a realm that is full of paradoxes and mysteries, but it is also a realm that is full of promise and potential. And it is only by embracing this paradox, by embracing the complexity and the mystery of the brain, that we can unlock its secrets and achieve our greatest desires. But what if I told you that the brain's ability to adapt and to change is not just limited to the individual or to the social environment, but is also connected to the natural world around us? What if I told you that the brain is not just a product of human evolution, but is also a part of the larger web of life, connected to the plants, the animals, and the ecosystems that surround us? This is the realm of ecopsychology, where scientists are working to understand the relationship between the human brain and the natural world. One of the most fascinating examples of ecopsychology is the study of the microbiome. The human body is home to trillions of microorganisms, each playing a crucial role in our physical and mental health. The microbiome is responsible for our digestion, our immune function, and even our mood and our cognitive function. And it is the key to understanding the intricate web of relationships between the human brain and the natural world. But ecopsychology is not just limited to the study of the microbiome. It also involves the study of the natural environment, and how it shapes our thoughts, our feelings, and our behaviors. This can be seen in the phenomenon of biophilia, where our love and our connection to nature are essential to our well-being and our happiness. It can also be seen in the phenomenon of ecotherapy, where the natural environment is used to heal and to restore our mental and physical health. As we explore the realm of ecopsychology, we are confronted with a multitude of questions and paradoxes. How do we balance the need for human progress and development with the need to protect and to preserve the natural world? How do we use the knowledge of ecopsychology to create more sustainable and more compassionate relationships between humans and the environment? And what are the limits of the human brain's ability to adapt and to change in response to the natural world, and how can we use this knowledge to create a more harmonious and more balanced relationship between humans and the Earth? These are the questions that scientists and philosophers have been grappling with for centuries, and they are the questions that we will continue to explore and to debate in the years to come. But one thing is certain: the brain is a part of the larger web of life, connected to the natural world and shaped by the ecosystems that surround us. And it is only by understanding this ecological context that we can unlock the full potential of the brain and achieve our greatest aspirations. As we journey deeper into the world of neuroscience, we find ourselves in a realm of wonder and awe, where the boundaries between reality and fantasy blur, and where the possibilities seem endless. It is a realm that is full of paradoxes and mysteries, but it is also a realm that is full of promise and potential. And it is only by embracing this paradox, by embracing the complexity and the mystery of the brain, that we can unlock its secrets and achieve our greatest desires. The journey into the world of neuroscience is a journey into the unknown, a journey that is full of twists and turns, surprises and paradoxes. But it is also a journey that is full of wonder and awe, a journey that is capable of transforming our lives and our understanding of the world. And it is only by embracing this journey, by embracing the complexity and the mystery of the brain, that we can unlock its secrets and achieve our greatest aspirations.